What would be
Yeah.
your best 3 to 5 steps to do successful product innovation?
Oh man, I think first and foremost, like you should go where the data takes you. Like you do a bunch of experiments in the lab. If you find one direction that works, like go that direction. Don't try to fight it. Don't try to fight physics and try to do something so much more complicated. All startups and all like product management is a give and take between the market, between the commercial team and the technical team. Oftentimes the commercial team just needs to know what to tell customers and what they can sell, and they can go out and find people that want what you have. Too many times it seems like a technical team will get data goes in one direction, and then they're like, well, that's interesting result, but we need to focus on, this other thing. And they're like, so I think in general, take the path of least resistance. If you get good results going in a certain direction with a certain motor size or certain number of plates or whatever the case may be, do that and then go look for customers where that solves a problem, instead of sometimes the other way around, which is technology development is really hard. And so why make it harder on yourself? So path of least resistance. I think, the other things are the standard that you hear from everybody, right? Like actually talk to customers and listen to them. If they say they don't care about energy efficiency, don't force them. Don't force her. Like we've talked to companies that say energy efficiency isn't a problem. Cool, man. I'm not going to call you back. That's no problem. Like we'll go find somebody else, right? Again, it's really just like listening and following that path of least resistance. There are people that want what you have. Sometimes it just takes longer to find them, but they are generally out there.